let's break down something every truck driver needs to know: owner-operator lease agreements. Whether you're a seasoned trucker or just starting out, understanding these agreements is crucial for your success on the road. An owner-operator lease agreement is a contract between a trucking company and an independent driver who owns their own truck. It's a business deal that outlines the terms and conditions under which the driver will haul freight for the company. This agreement can make or break your trucking career, so it's important to know what to look for. Before signing any lease agreement, it's wise to compare multiple offers from different carriers. Not all contracts are created equal, and some companies may offer better incentives, fuel discounts, or freight opportunities than others. Taking the time to compare can help you secure an agreement that aligns with your financial goals and driving preferences. First, let's talk about the basics. A typical lease agreement will cover payment terms, responsibilities for maintenance, and the duration of the contract. You'll want to ensure the pay rate is fair and reflects the current market rates. Remember, this is your livelihood, so don't settle for less than what you deserve. Maintenance is another key component. Some agreements require the driver to handle all maintenance costs, while others might split the cost between the driver and the company. Make sure you understand who is responsible for what, so there are no surprises down the road. Now, let's touch on hidden fees. Some agreements include deductions for things like insurance, fuel, or even administrative fees. Be sure to read the fine print, as these can add up quickly and significantly impact your take-home pay. Another important aspect is the duration of the lease. Some contracts are month to month, while others might lock you in for a year or more. Consider your long-term goals and how flexible you need to be before signing on the dotted line. So, why is it important to have an owner-operator lease agreement? It provides a clear understanding between you and the trucking company, setting the groundwork for a successful partnership. Without a solid agreement, you risk misunderstandings and potential disputes, which can be costly and stressful. Navigating through these agreements can be overwhelming. But don't worry, FMCSA Registration.com is here to help. As the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry, we assist motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Visit FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 to learn more about how we can support your trucking journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more trucking tips and insights. Safe travels!